Hey guys, what's going on? Pete here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please like and subscribe. This is an update on my 1994 Toyota Supra JDM right hand drive turbo. Okay, so I got the car back about a week ago from MoFab in Parker, Colorado. It was getting dyno tuned. So it ended up making 590 wheel horsepower and 635 foot-pounds of torque. Not bad for how I have it set up right now, and it's tuned on E85. So I'll do a little walk around. For those that are new to the channel, just kind of see what's going on. I have the Powerhouse Racing single turbo kit. It's a 6266 82 AR. Excuse me. And downpipe. Got the wideband O2 sensor, AEM, and this is a precision turbo, precision wastegate down there plumbed in. And I got the electronic boost controller set up. Right now it's running about 25 pounds of boost on E85. Put in a little catch can here. One issue I did have is, I don't know if it was on the dyno or whatever, but the fan hit the shroud, so it broke the fan and shroud, so I replaced the shroud and got a brand new fan on there, so that's good. ETS 4-inch front mount intercooler down in there. And I got the HKS blow off valve. Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator, and I'm running 1000cc fuel injector clinic injectors along with the rail. And this rail it's a nice piece. It's modifiable, so right now I'm just running one fuel line to it as far as feed and obviously to return, but you can run two fuel lines. There's a provision so you can do that. Let's see what else. Got a 450 liter per hour Marlboro end tank fuel pump, so eventually when I want to make more power I'll throw another fuel pump in there. And just new coils, spark plugs, obviously oils and stuff like that. But it looks like I chose all the right parts to kind of get to where I was. My goal was right around 550, but made it to 590 wheel horsepower, so that's great. I think that's like 723 crank, something like that. Alright, let me grab my key. We'll go on the inside here. Show you some of the gauges I installed. So for my wideband O2, I bought this vent pod. It's really cool. Replaces the air vent. The gauge just pops in there, and then I have the AM True Boost. So you can control it from here, two settings, but I got mine into my AM V2, so my tuner was able to adjust the boost through that angle. So I'll do a little cold start here. It's got 128,409 kilometers, so like a little over 80,000 miles, so not bad at all. And I trade a AM V2, it lives under there. I'm not going to pull that up. So runs pretty good.